नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay ma, so this is our last YouTube class of this academic year, right? So we finished all the lessons, not what much we for the exam I am telling. Okay, for the exam what and all it's needed, we will finish that one. Okay, so next week our exam will start. So our Hindi exam is on the last day only, so you will get more time to learn. So just I'm telling something you to remember. Okay, like in question, first it will like last exam itself we started that passage writing, right? So first one passage will come from the textbook itself only. So from that passage 10 questions will be there. Okay, from that passage 10 questions will be there. You have to see the passage and you have to write the answer. Read the passage and write the answers. Okay, so you have to read nicely that very clearly and very carefully. You should read the passage, and whatever the questions I have asked, that questions answer you should write by reading that one. Okay, then fill in the blanks will come, right? From the textbook also something is there for fill in the blanks. And also that last lesson we learned, ninth lesson, don't fill in the blanks is there, that you learn. Then meanings also, meanings learn, not only learn the meanings from English to Hindi to English, English to Hindi also you should learn. Okay, both you should learn, Hindi to English and English to Hindi, both I will ask. Okay, that also you should take care. Then we learn the grammar, right? Sarvanam, what are Sarvanam? Pronoun, right? In Sarvanam, what are the types of Sarvanam? संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम, पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम, निजवाचक सर्वनाम, निश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम, प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. So these 6 are the types of sarvanam pronouns. So these sarvanam under what are the things will come, like sambandhavajak means jo and so will come. Then purushavajak means mein, to, vah, mene, like that will come. Then nijavajak means aap, apne, like that. Then Nishchayavajak means yah, vah, like that it will come, isn't it? And Anishchayavajak means koi, kuch. We don't have any surety. So koi, kuch. Prashnavajak means question will come, like kaun, kya, like that and all. So Sarvanam, that also you should learn. Okay, learn these pronouns also, and types of pronouns also you should learn. Then Muhavara and Artha. In the textbook it is here now, Muhavara and its meanings, idioms and its meanings. That also you should learn. Okay, Muhavara and meanings. Then Visheshan. Visheshan, the types of Visheshan, that everything we learned now. Visheshan, what are the Vishesh? Parimanvajak Visheshan, Sarvanamik Visheshan, Gunavajak Visheshan, Sangyavajak Visheshan. That everything we learned, like, right? Visheshan means like Visheshan means Parimanvajak Visheshan means if it is a quantity or measurement or something is there, means like measuring or quantity, it will come, means Parimanvajak Visheshan. Sarvanamic means from that itself we know Sarvanamic means Sarvanam what? Pronoun. So if the pronoun is coming as the adjective, it will be telling a Sarvanamic Visheshan. Then Gunavajak Visheshan means the character of a person or a noun or a pronoun. If they are telling, means that is Gunavajak Visheshan. Then Sangyavajak Visheshan means the number, if it is coming as the Visheshan, speciality, like this much students are there in the class, like 20 students or 40 students are there in our class. So that 20 is the Sangyavajak Visheshan, or that 40 number is the Visheshan, means that is Sangyavajak Visheshan. So that are the types of Visheshan. Then Sarvanam Shabdam we learned, right? Sarvanam Shabdam, what we learned? Sarvanam, what are the Sarvanams? Me, tum, pronouns. Instead of noun, what we are using, that is only pronoun, right? So in Hindi, what and all will come? Me, tum, vah, yah, ve, ye, aap, hum. Everything, these type of words we will tell as pronoun. So these are the Sarvanam Shabdam. Okay, that also you should learn. Then Visheshan, Gunavajak Visheshan, then only I told na Visheshan, Sangyavajak Visheshan, Paramanvajak Visheshan, Sarvanamik Visheshan. Gunavajak means character. Sangyavajak means number. Parimanvajak means quantity or measurement. Sarvanamik means pronoun as a speciality. Then what will come means Chitra Kinjana, like let any picture you should draw. I will ask from any picture, any lesson. You have to draw according to that without seeing the lesson. You see, first you have to understand the lesson, and without seeing the lesson you should draw the picture of that that content of the lesson, or any incident happened in that lesson, that you should draw. Okay, this also you should see. Then question answers, meanings. Okay, write and learn everything. And while writing the exam you should take a neat paper. Okay, the neat paper should be very neat. Don't take any damaged paper or any small paper, and it should be a big paper, long paper only. And first you should write your name, then your class, then subject name, then write the date of the exam. Our exam is on 31/3/2021. That you should write on the margin. Okay, these 4 things should be there on the paper. Okay, your name, your class, subject name, date. These 4 things should be there on the paper. Okay, and it should be very neat. Okay, if it is not neat, I will reduce 2 marks from your mark. Okay, I will reduce 2 mark. If it is not neat and the paper is also small, means I will reduce the mark. Okay, the paper should come very neatly. Okay, please learn well, my dear kids. Concentrate in studies, because your one academic year is going to finish. So concentrate in studies and attend the exam properly. Okay, and submit the papers. Please submit the papers. Okay, all should write the exam. Okay, this is final exam, so don't skip the exam. All should write the exam. Okay, this much is there me to tell. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.